New fan on the porch. Just to let you know, old fan is right here. We have a hugger. It's got a square motor in it, and these lamps go down so far. But it's got gloss blades on it. Top blade's dust. The top blade is dust texture. I also got Bluebird at the habitat. I got this food today. Check this heat out. Using a bunch of ceiling fans. Think high pressure sodium street lights, like design and stuff like that. Just like me. We picked up 3 new fans actually. So this was a lucky time. We have this Harbor Breeze Rainbow, I think is what he told me it was. Bent. So we're having it bent. Fix that. Coil chain works, came with bracket, spotlights aren't fucked up. The spotlights actually work perfectly fine. Let's start with low. This is low speed. Hopefully my battery isn't low. Shit. Battery's fine. Low speed's still on. I don't know if this is fast or not. It might have been used on the dimmer though. And the thing was bent too, so I had to bend the thing back, and it's nice and heavy for the box. Here's low without the light. It sucks. Here's medium speed. Medium speed goes fast. This is my first time testing it, so I just saw medium speed get a higher acceleration. So I'm guessing that medium speed goes fast. No? Not up? Okay. Hopefully high speed isn't a disappointment. High speed. If it's going this slow, I might need to replace the capacitor. Okay, it's going a little faster. Oh, it's on updraft. That's why. Registration. Start with low speed. Low speed barely goes any faster. Let's see if I can make it spin up a little more. Left finger. Oh, wait, I don't know if I showed you guys this much. I also picked up this white fan. It's got the blades, the bracket, the lid, screws, everything else. Okay, low speed goes a little faster. For the medium speed. Oop. Let me move this. Okay, medium speed's going a bit faster. Not that fast. Medium speed without the light on. The rainbow fan will go inside, and this white fan will stay outside. I don't know if it's a fan or not, but here's high speed. It's got a mid-high speed. I don't know if he texted me or not. High speed flies. Oh, something just flew off the lid. There's a spider that was up there on the ceiling. A spider had crawled in the ceiling into the box and went through the crack of the ceiling that's up there. These little 2 studs right here are keeping the box from moving back and forth. This fan's just loose in general. Yeah. Here's high speed without the light, with the light on. Why am I stuttering today? What are we gonna do spin up? Light on. Light off. It's a 52-inch. The blade arms are 52-inch. These blades are 52-inch too. But they are close to the door, but they're further by far away. Oh, it's close to this little hanging piece of crap. Roof. Hold that up. See if I can pull it up. Oh, yeah, I can kind of fold it up. I can pull it off and rip it out. Oh. I'm not gonna mess with that. I just ripped some roof material just fell down. And then it's just a test of the switch. So yeah, this thing isn't actually wobbly like I expected it to be. Now the red fan on not the red fan, the rainbow Harbor Breeze fan is going to be wobbly because it's got a red blade on it, but I'm going to have to bend that back. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye.